learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for Practical Hakka on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month, we're teaching you something that is so useful, and especially if you work at a place and someone comes for help, and you might ask them, What can I do for you? OK， 我们常常呢在外头呢，尤其是工作人员啦，看到有客人来啦，或者是有路人走过来呢，都有可能会说，有什么事情吗？请问有什么事情，对不对？ What can I do for you? How do you say that in Hakka?
有乜嘅事情？
有乜嘅事情 OK, that means What can I do for you? Now, 我今天要装这个有气质一点好了。我们来教，就是如果去图书馆里面呢，对不对？里面的工作人员可能就会问你有什么事情，对不对？那可能是要什么借书嘛。Let's go to
假用功。
不要讲出来，我就说今天要装有气质。Okay, let's say we go to a library and we want to borrow a book. All right, how do you say borrowing a book? 借书。
家属。
家属 It sounds like family, but it actually means borrowing a book in Hakka.
那海陆腔假树。
假树，假的树了。
我把真树。
这些书都是用假树做出来的。That sounds like a fake tree, but it's a different dialect for borrowing a book. Okay, when you go to a library, you need a library card. 一定要有借书证嘛。那怎么说借书证？
家属证。
家属证 So 证 is an ID, identification. And finally, if you don't have one, you might need to apply for one. 所以如果第一次到一个图书馆要申请的话，那顺便教一下申请怎么说。
申请。
申请 OK, that is apply. 那我们就干脆用这个来造个句哈。
OK.
比如说我刚到的图书馆，然后他说你要借书，你需要这个借书证，那我要说要去哪里申请 OK, where do I apply for this? Or how do I apply for this?
我去哪里申请？
我去哪里申请 OK, that means 我去 where do I go to get a card, a library card, all right? Let's review these terms. 借书
家属
对嘛，我自己可以说嘛，家属这都记得很牢牢清楚了哦。那如果是借书证，就是家属证。
Yeah!
All right, that means a library card. And if you don't have one, you need to apply for one. Okay, 申请。
申请。
申请 All right. And it's all about asking this phrase. When you want to help someone, you say, What can I do for you? 有什么事情？
有乜嘅事情？
有乜嘅事情？Very, very practical term that you can use every day. And that does it for today's edition of Practical Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.